Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel alltechqueries. So today's our topic is how to create a desktop shortcut of a website, and I'm going to show you two methods for it. So as you can see here, these are my installed applications and I can access them easily using the desktop shortcut as soon as I start my PC. So what about websites? There are some websites on our PC, there are some websites that we use regularly, but to access them we need to open our browser, go to the bookmarks menu, search the website and then open it. So is there any faster way? Yes, there is, and today I'm going to show you how you can access the websites directly from your desktop. So first you need to open the Chrome browser or whatever browser you are using, and let me open a website. So suppose this is a website you use regularly. So what you can do is, first method is, okay, you have to first minimize this, change the size of the browser so that you can see both the window and desktop. From here you can see this icon here, this is safety icon, but what you can do is click on this icon and drag it to your desktop, and it will create a shortcut of this page. Look how convenient it is. So let me show you an example if it's working or not. So as soon as I click it, my website is opening directly, so I don't have to go to the long process. This is a short process. Okay, so there is also another method. What I can do is I can search for the website on Google and you can find it here. Let me minimize it again. So you can also drag it from here, okay, from Google search results directly you can drag it to your desktop and it will create a shortcut for the website. So these are the two methods by which you can create a desktop shortcut for your favorite websites. Now there is a bonus tutorial here. So all the icons here are looking same, so you might be confused. So to make it a little easier, you can change this icon. So let me show you how. Right click on the shortcut, go to its properties. Now you need to go to this tab, web document. If it is set on general, go to web document and click on this change icon option. Now here are some basic icons by Chrome, but you can also download custom icons and use them like I do. So click on browse. Let me show you, there are several icons on my PC like this. So it is a technical website, alright. So I can use icons like this, so I can easily identify. Okay, if I have multiple website shortcuts on my desktop, I can easily identify this is tech website, this is YouTube, Amazon, whatever website shortcuts you are using. So that's all for today, guys. So if you think this video was helpful, then please like our video and subscribe to our channel to get more technical videos. Also click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post videos. Okay, thank you for watching.